What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about paano nga ba tumawag sa BDO Contact Center or how to call BDO Customer Service. Para may makausap tayong customer service ni BDO guys, representative, para makapag-inquire tayo ng ating nais malaman at the same time makapag-report ng mga unauthorized transactions and any inquiries na kailangan natin malaman. At the same time, pag-uusapan natin guys, kasi kung minsan nasa ibang bansa kayo or outside the Philippines, so may mga kailangan kayong isaalang-alang para makakontak sa BDO Contact Center dito sa Philippines. Kasi may sinasabing IAC or International Access Code. So kailangan nyo malaman yun kasi i-share ko rin sa inyo guys. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So magpo-provide lang ako guys ng disclaimer, no? So kapag tumawag kayo sa BDO Contact Center or hotline number nila, it requires regular load kapag naka-mobile call kayo. When we say mobile call, like TNT, Smart, Globe, something ganyan. Tapos, kapag naka-landline naman kayo, of course, kapag sa PLDT, free lang yon. Within Metro Manila lang dapat yun. Kasi kapag outside Metro Manila, hindi kayo makakontakt sa BDO Contact Center kapag using PLDT. Na-experience ko yan. At kapag ginamit ninyo yung mobile call, at nais kong malaman ninyo guys na 7 pesos and 50 cents yung china-charge sa bawat minuto using mobile number. So as you can see guys, ito, Consumer Assistance Management System. Contact us at any of the BDO channels listed below if you have concerns or need assistance. So kung may mga inquiries kayo tulad sabi ko at kung kailangan nyo mag-report ng mga unauthorized transactions sa debit card or credit cards ninyo. So ito guys, nakalagay dito is our new number now easier to remember. Kasi guys, dati yung yung contact center number or yung hotline number is 8631 ganyan. Pero ngayon bago na. Ito yung nakalagay, our new number now easier to remember. Kasi dati, rumble number siya. So ngayon, parang minadali nila. As you can see, take note of our new 24/7 BDO Contact Center number. Open parentheses, +632, close parentheses, 8888-0000. Starting August 1, 2024. Since ngayon is October na, so tapos na siya, na-implement na itong contact center number na bago nila, which is Quad 8 and Quad 0 para mas mabilis nyo siya matandaan. Yun na yung bagong contact center number ni BDO. Yun yung kailangan nyo tawagan kung may kailangan kayong inquiries kapag within the Philippines kayo. At hindi lang to guys, of course, kung wala kayong landline, ito pa, may iba pang channels kung paano nyo sila makontak. BDO Consumer Assistance Management System. Pwede rin via email, guys. So, send a message for online banking contact information, update or enrollment concerns. So, yung BDO email contact address nila, kumbaga yung email address nila, ito guys, yung email address nila, callcenter@bdo.com.ph. As you can see, this channel is dedicated to handling the online banking enrollment and or updating of registered online banking contact informations of overseas clients. So kapag outside the Philippines kayo, pwede lang kayo mag-email, guys. Yun nga lang, you have to wait certain period of time, like 2 days, something ganyan. Then, pwede rin naman guys, via social media. Message us on Facebook and learn more about our products and services. So, yung official Facebook guys ni BDO is BDO Unibank. Isa-search nyo lang siya, then pwede kayo mag-message doon, then may mga updates silang pinupost doon. Then, pwede rin naman guys sa over 1,000 branches. Visit us at any branch in our large nationwide network. So, pagkakalam ko guys, dati naman ng province is may BDO Unibank branch. So, there's nothing to worry about. Visit lang kayo doon, then you can inquire about your concerns. Then, yung gagawin nila guys is our framework of service. Lag, okay? So, kapag tumawag kayo, na-report ninyo yung nangyari, ilalag nila yan, we will record and address your concern. Then, evaluate and investigate. Your case will be reviewed. So, kung ano yung report ninyo, i-review nila yan guys. Then, kapag napatunayan or nagkaroon na ng resolutions, sila ay magpo-provide ng feedback. We will keep you updated. Then ito guys, contact us, BDO Contact Center. Ito yung main address ng main office ni BDO. Makikita siya sa BDO Corporate Center, 7899, Makati Avenue, Makati City, 0726 Philippines Trunk Line, 632-8840-7000. Then, yung video contact center nila is yung hotline. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina is 8888, ganyan. This, kapag outside the Metro Manila naman kayo, guys, yung gamit nyo is PLDT or Globe line. So, take note lang, guys, na may regular charge ito ng load. Hashtag 8888-0000 for landline only. Press number sign followed by 8888 and 000 para sa mga landline lamang. Kung kayo ay Globe, ito yung kakailangan niyo, 632, ganyan. Then ngayon guys, let's talk about kung kayo ay nasa outside the Philippines. Paano nga ba ninyo makokontak yung BDO Contact Center? Via email guys, tulad ng sinabi ko, ayun yung email address nila. callcenter@bdo.com.ph. I-indicate ninyo yung sadya ninyo, ano nga ba yung concerns ninyo. Then send ninyo guys sa callcenter@bdo.com.ph. And then, pwede rin naman guys, ayan, nakalagay, 24/7 contact center. Call us at our domestic number kung kayo nasa Philippines lang. Pero through international toll-free, so free lang ito guys, at IAC, International Access Codes, when we say IAC. So, kailangan ng access codes guys. So, ngayon guys, nais kong malaman ninyo na kapag nasa ibang bansa kayo, nasa Switzerland, Peru, ganyan, nasa United States, iba-iba yung IAC na sinasabi or yung International Access Codes. At kailangan nyo malaman yun, guys. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko na lang, guys, is marami siya. Kung iisa-isahin ko, matatagalan yung vlog na ito. Kaya naman, ilalagay ko na lang, guys, sa description yung link ng list of access codes na meron si BDO Unibank kapag kayo ay outside the country. Then, pwede kayong tumawag, guys, tulad neto, through our international toll-free at IAC or international access codes plus 800-8-call BDO. Yun yung kailangan yung i-dial. Kasi may iba't ibang provided, kumbaga, may mga kanya-kanyang sistema yung iba't ibang bansa kung paano makatawag throughout the globe. So, when they say globe, around the world. So, may mga sinasabing international access codes sila. At nasa description guys yung link para ma-redirect kayo going to list of access codes ni BDO. So ito guys, a quick reminder lang. If you are going to call BDO Contact Center, just make sure na naka-prepare yung lahat ng details na kakailanganin. Tulad ng, kasi kapag tumawag kayo doon, before kayo magkaroon, or before kayo i-cater, before kayo i-entertain, magkakaroon muna ng verification process. Tatanungin yung halimbawa kung sa card number ng debit card, tatanungin yung debit card number, kung sa credit card naman, yung credit card number, halimbawa naman, minsan tinatanong yung birthday, then minsan naghihingi sila ng OTP, which is dapat may access kayo sa nakalink na mobile number doon sa account ninyo para less hassle sa end ninyo. Guys, kapag tumawag kayo sa contact center at may OTP na pinadala, nakalagay is T-PIN. Ibig sabihin, tumawag kayo sa kanila at ilalagay nyo yun. So, huwag kayong kabahan kapag tumawag kayo at may dumating na OTP, legit yun, guys. Normal yun, verification process yun. Pero make sure lang, guys, na be aware kayo kasi hindi naman lahat ganon. Minsan kasi kapag sila yung tumawag, yun yung kaduda-duda kapag may OTP. Pero kung kayo yung tumawag at saka may OTP sa official contact center ni BDO, official contact center ha, so, normal yun. Which is, yung official contact center ni BDO is yung 4 na 8, 4 na 0. Kapag iba yung tinawagan nyo at nagkaroon ng OTP, magtaka na kayo guys. Halimbawa, may tumawag sa inyo. I-upgrade yung credit card ninyo, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, nanghihingi. May darating na 4 na code para ma-validate. Huwag kayo maniniwala kasi delikado yun. Kung kayo lang yung tumawag sa official contact center number ni BDO at may dumating na OTP, legitimate yun, guys. So, yun lamang guys. So, I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!